Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Let's open up some new 2022 Hot Wheels cars from Case E. Starting it off with La Troca from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks number 116. Let's get this open. This one was kind of already opened up when I got it because of the missing glue, but here we go. It is fully open now. Just a nice metallic gold color and a brown interior. You don't see that too often, and I'm really liking the grille here. This is a golden pickup truck, very heavy, a lot of metal on this thing. This has a gold chrome plastic base, gold wheels, gold everything. Just a very nice classic pickup truck with nice pinstripes on the sides. Very cool looking lowrider pickup truck. Next up is the 71 Dodge Charger from Hot Wheels Art Cars number 109. And this is a new color of the classic Charger that we have here. Let's get this thing open, and right away I'm noticing that this has a matte gray color on it with deep dish 8-spoke wheels, different colors on the front and back. As you can see, white in the back, gray in the front, or orange in the front rather, and orange in the front, and those are actually orange chrome. It says Dodge Charger on the side, and number 71 Dodge Charger in nice mint green, orange, and white color. Very nice looking muscle car with a chrome interior, and I like the orange windows on this thing. Has a letter Y on the top. Very cool decals we have on this one. Nice chrome grille. Here's a nice look at it. And a black plastic base. Very nice looking muscle car by Hot Wheels. The new motorcycle, Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition from the Hot Wheels Daredevils number 117. New motorcycle, third color of this casting that's come out. And this one has gold and black with blacked out motocross wheels. And the base code you can actually see is right there, R02. And the wheels are a little bit loose, but that's alright. That's how they made them. They still spin very well, as you can see. And a gold metal base with metallic thrown in there. And then it says Scrambler, Ducati number 62, and plastic on the top. And painted headlight. Very nice looking motorcycle. Probably not one of my favorite motorcycles, but it is pretty good looking. Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno from Hot Wheels Hatchbacks. Number 17, a new color of this in red. We previously saw this one in the year in white. And now we see it in red with nice red color and gold 5-spoke wheels. Very nice red color we have on this one with Trueno on the side, Apex on the side as well. And nice black designs. And there is the back, as you can see. Zoom in there. Very nice details on the back. Very small wheels on this car. Probably made for drifting. But black interior, black plastic base. 2020 copyright. Made its debut in the main line in 2021, I believe. But appeared as a premium in previous years. But still, great looking Japanese import vehicle. Driving is on the opposite side of the United States. Very nice look at this hatchback from Japan. Big Air Bel-Air from the Chevy Bel-Air series, and this is number 112. This is a nice flat black color, like a new color of this Chevy Bel-Air, and it's like a lifted off-road version of the Chevy Bel-Air. Very cool looking, nice spinning wheels. Those are Baja 5-spoke wheels. It says Get Big Air on the side, and a nice bird. It's like, looks like a bird, yeah, on the side. Very cool details on this one. Number 22 on this side right there. Some kind of lightning bolts on the side. Goodyear tampos, and no windows. Very cool looking lifted Bel-Air. And a black plastic base we see on this one. Very cool. Nice shape to it. Red interior, spare tire right there, and interesting decal design. Awesome new 2022 release of this lifted Chevy Bel-Air classic car. Probably the highlight of this video, another great Japanese domestic market vehicle, the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 from the Hot Wheels Turbo. This sponsors Liberty Walk. It's number 110. And if you don't know, Liberty Walk is a kind of like a custom wide body kit organization for Nissan and Lamborghini vehicles. This has some great spinning wheels and it looks amazing too. This is an awesome addition to the collection. Metallic gray plastic base and pretty heavy casting, and look at that, very nice looking. This is a new model for 2022, number 23 on the side, and yellow and black on the side, Liberty Walk. Very nice custom body kit on this one. Here's a nice look at it right there. Love the splitter in the front. Just a gorgeous vehicle, muscle car 5-spoke wheels. And this one is probably my favorite one out of the entire video. 70 Chevelle Super Sport Wagon, the Chevy Chevelle SS Wagon from the Wagon series. I have a duplicate of this one on a better package than this one, but we're finally getting this one open. Yeah, I know the package was mint, but I have another mint one, and there was a paint defect on the one that I kept in the package, but chrome plastic base we see on this one. And this has muscle car 5-spoke wheels in nice classic chrome color. Metallic blue with white striping, as we can see on this one. I do love this casting a lot. This is a great looking casting. And the chrome plastic base, as you can see again, there's SS on the side. Very clean looking car. Maybe if we removed the tampos, it would look cleaner. But I like it just the way it is. Very cool on the top. You can see the stripes, the white stripes. This has a black interior, and take a nice look at that. Beautiful, beautiful sporty wagon, and it's open in the back. You can see all the way inside. Dual exhaust on this one. This is so good looking. There's a red one that's going to come out. Can't wait to get that one as well, and add it to my collection of this awesome Chevelle wagon casting. Got a couple fantasy cars lined up as well. This is the Lolux from the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. New for 2022 model, number 115, and there's some stuff you can read about this rally pickup truck. And that was an easy open. And I know this has a paint chip up here. Yeah, this already has a paint chip, but that's alright. It is otherwise completely mint. Got different wheels in the front and back, and it's supposed to be like that. Ooh, we got some fingerprints. I think I already put those on there, but that's alright. It says Lolux. On the base, it's a nice shiny chrome plastic base with white 10-spoke wheels and white rimmed 5-spoke wheels in the back. This is a crazy looking pickup truck with white and orange designs on that. And this is highly customized. I'm not sure what this is even based off of. There's the front, number 33 Hot Wheels graphics. The top there, super modded out. Look at the back. Nice spoiler there. Super awesome vehicle. Not the best looking, but it is pretty cool. New model for 2022. And I like the white wheels on this one as well. Interesting rally truck. Rolls pretty well. And it drifts. Glory Chaser from Retro Racers. Another new model for 2022, number 123. Kind of a small casting, but still very cool. And we see this one in seafoam green with 5 spokes. And those spin very well. Finally get this one loose, a black plastic base on this one. This one actually looks pretty cool for a fantasy car. And I'm liking the yellow stripes on the top there. Nice seafoam green color. Cannot speak. It says SF and a number 22 on the side. Very nice classic old coupe. Probably based on like an older race car. You know, like those retro race cars. And then we got a clear interior, clear mixed with chrome, and I'm liking that, the two-tone interior. And just a pretty nice looking vehicle. There's the front, base once again. Has a little bit of weight to it for this tiny car. Another fantasy car lined up, the Lethal Diesel from Hot Wheels Rescue, number 121. And this says F case on the back, but it originally came in E case. And let's just pop this open. I've been wanting to get this one ever since it came out, just because, I mean, a Lethal Diesel emergency vehicle, rescue vehicle, I mean, this is really, really cool. This has a black plastic base, gray aero disc wheels in the front, white deep dish 8 spokes in the back. It says Rescue right there. It's like a police car, kind of. It has a number 68, or it could be 89, whatever. I think it might be 68 because it's the year that Hot Wheels was made, but then again, if it's facing the same direction as the word Rescue, it would be number 89. Yeah, 89 Rescue. Some interesting decals on the top, kind of like a two-tone, like a different consistency of black on the top. And like all the chrome pieces there. Very cool looking casting. Chrome windows. And this is like kind of like a Hummer, but lower to the ground. Interesting rescue vehicle, the Lethal Diesel. My third color of this thing also came out in matte black and matte blue. Or no, matte brown and matte blue, and this is the matte black one. I do like this vehicle a lot, and it's going to make it into my track collection. Finally, last but not least, 69 Chevy Pickup from Hot Wheels Art Cars, number 108. And I do like all the different colors on this one. And let's just pop it open and get a nice look at it. Letter T on the top, that's pretty cool. And then a nice shiny chrome plastic base. Custom 69 Chevy pickup truck. Yellow wheels in the back, white wheels in the front. Liking all the squares on this. Letter T, black interior, blue windows. Awesome art car. There's the tailgate. Custom Chevy pickup truck. Love all the squares on it. We got yellow, red, white, and blue. And black in there as well. There's the top there. Pretty awesome square body pickup. Nice thick paint on the wheels. I'm liking that a lot. And I believe that is all I have to show for you guys. I have another set of 11 cars to open up in the future. Maybe I'll do a few individual videos. And those individual videos feel like are for smaller YouTubers. But maybe I should just keep on. I'll definitely keep on with the individual videos. But I do like to pump out the opening up multiple cars at once videos because, you know, I need to plow through my 2022 collection because 2023 cars are already being produced and I'm only on case E 2022, so I have a long ways to go, so I'm trying to get all these mass unboxing videos out. So anyways, which car was your favorite? My pick is probably this one right here, the Liberty Walk S15, and then I really do like this one too, and this one's alright as well. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.